Industry City is where we moved to. Here's some beautiful photos of outside of Adafruit now. Here's some nice fall trees and leaves. It's an amazing, beautiful place. I think we could first just talk about where can you find information about what this Industry City place is?
Yes.
Because I think that explains kind of what it is by who's there.
Industry.
Yeah. So
City.
Yeah. So check out Industry City. You can check out the website. You could see their history. It's this beautiful building, tons of square footage and more. And
Hundreds of businesses.
it was like it was made for us. There's a Makers Guild there. But what I thought we would do is actually show some footage that they shot. So it's a 2-minute little blurb of Industry City and what it's all about. And you can learn about it. And then I want to show you things that were interesting to us. They have a video of here are some of the spaces available for people who make things. So take it away, Industry City.
Industry City, well known as IC, is a 6 million square foot creative campus on Brooklyn's front. The outdoor space includes 5 acres of heated, furnished courtyards, making IC home to New York City's largest year-round outdoor dining experience. The food hall has 13 restaurants with a variety of cuisines. There's a bookstore, a general store, and several small shops. The food hall is the gateway to the rest of campus, with more than 500 businesses spanning art, media, tech, fashion, and of course, content creation. The IC Makers Guild is a cooperative of boutique makers and artisans who occupy a single floor and allow the public into their spaces to watch the manufacturing process and also purchase product. We'd like to leave you with a few snippets from our world.
Now you know us. Doesn't it seem like a place for us?
Yeah. We're like makers, and I like to eat outside.
And not only that,
I like ramen.
it's a place for all of you because now we can finally do things like have events and do tours and just all the things and the amenities of something as we take Adafruit to the next level. So we've moved our factory there. We're still putting everything together. That's not quite done yet. Some of you in the community have visited Adafruit before. You'll visit again. It'll just be a lot easier for us. So we don't have to take any loans and still no venture capital. We did this by saving up, working hard. COVID and the chip shortage has been really hard. So please help get the word out that we are still a US-based New York company now in Brooklyn. And if you like open source hardware, electronics, a woman-owned company, innovation, doing something that we think will make a dent in all the things that need to be dented. Please, please, please. It's what keeps us going. We don't want to do anything else. So the things that were interesting to us, and we could go into it in future shows and when we do a tour and all that. But they assisted us with the build out and more.
Yeah.
And so they have this little 30-second video. And I thought this would be helpful, just so you can get an idea of this is, similar to some of the spaces that people have and that we also.
It's like if you're in the Brooklyn, Queens, Long Island, Staten Island, whatever Manhattan area, and you want a good place to move your company, there's actually we lived in a lot of places.
We looked everywhere.
Was where we ended up deciding and making good decisions.
And our rent is lower than it was in Manhattan, so it's very competitive landscape up there. All right, so let me show you this. The pre-built video, as it's titled. Okay, so more news on that later.